99% of professionals are sitting on a superpower and they don't know about it yet. Most of the people, they are actually worried about AI taking their jobs. But the most smart professionals and entrepreneurs, they are using AI to do something very deadly to achieve much more in their business and for getting a level playing field. Hi, I'm Nidhi Jain and today I'm sharing some of the key insights from the global visionaries and companies like Amazon, L&T, etc. and how they are sharing that the old ways of doing business and working is dead. Start with hard truth. If you are doing things the way in which they have been previously done, then you're already behind. So what did they mean by that? Let's see.
The legacy work, in whether it's audits, vouchers, is all passe. There are technologies today that have completely taken over. Imagine what AI will do. I mean, you don't have to do any of that. So as chart accountants, I think we need to now start thinking, how do we adopt technology and go far beyond, right? I mean, how do we become more business relevant, right? How do we build that ability to make decisions, right? Take risk. I mean, use technology to solve business problems. The best combination of AI will be human and AI. And it's so true, because if you understand how AI works, you'll be able to build solutions for what you do. So that's my view. I feel today it's a tremendous opportunity for us as chartered accountants to think technology and look at ways and means. I mean, think blockchain, think, a lot of the financial ways in which KYC is happening in an automated way. I mean, a lot of this is kind of gone into another spectrum altogether.
You might think that big tech guys can do that, but what about the small guys? The Amazon CFO had just revealed the opposite, and the reason behind that is more powerful than you think.
Generative AI will bring an even larger revolution. For example, you can actually put 3 or 4 photos and tell generative AI app to create an advertisement for you, and it can make an ad. So you don't need to pay thousands of rupees or lakhs of rupees to make a product ad. You can make the ad. It can help you automate and optimize your advertisement investments on online channels. Generative AI can actually help you find insights of what's working in your business, optimize your sales team. Like, for example, if somebody wants to run advertising on Amazon, they may no longer need an account manager. They may have their own personal chatbots who can then optimize for their business. They launch this because this will have a higher percentage of chance of success. What you would see is they will help smaller businesses, new entrepreneurs, compete with very large players on a level playing field.
This is not just about marketing, it's about how decisions are being made in the room. So let's see how for the finance decisions are getting done when technology takes over the normal routine work.
For me, it's like, a lot of groundwork or data mining and data cleaning that used to be done by finance earlier is now gradually getting automated, because earlier, no matter how many people you hire, you would get too caught up in preparing those reports day in, day out, and very little time was being spent in actually studying those reports and coming out with meaningful insights and outputs. I'm hoping as we embrace technology more, people and my analysts will be more, will be able to spend more time on actual analysis, communication and influencing to be able to drive value. Today, even though we have data, we don't get enough time to be able to use it to influence and take quick corrective actions. So I'm seeing a lot of value.
This leads to a final unavoidable conclusion. It's about identity of every business. There is no such company now which is a non-tech company. Every company needs to be a technology company. Let's understand why you cannot take technology only as a separate function or a separate department within your company.
The learning that I had from there, technology is core to the business, as much core as sales, supply chain is. So if you cannot outsource supply chain or sales, you cannot outsource technology also. Now with AI, it is easier to write codes and architect. Your system should be extremely flexible so that you can move with the times and change with it. In our business, we are finding today every day a new opportunity. We wrote some time back that there is no distinction between tech company and non-tech company. Every company is a tech company if you wish to be. And if you don't wish to be, you are whatever.
Amazon CFO, global finance leaders and tech leaders, all of them agree the era of manual groundwork is over. You all had the superpower. You had the tools. You need courage to use it. Hit that follow button. Make your own future, not just watch it happen. I'll see you in the next one.